Prepare yourself for financial success. XRP is currently experiencing a significant surge in value. XRP could potentially rise to levels ranging from $1,650 to $2,900. By 2024, this is beyond hyperbole, based on a significant development. The financial titan, which previously presented a successful Bitcoin ETF, is bringing its expertise to XRP with the impending launch of an ETF. They have an astonishing track record, with nearly every ETF application they have submitted receiving approval. The entry of BlackRock into XRP is revolutionary, but there's more. Not all of it is BlackRock. Creating stirs. Furthermore, Grayscale is expanding its presence in the market by integrating XRP into its cryptocurrency portfolio and proposing an XRP ETF. This shows how XRP and Ripple Labs are becoming more and more significant in the world of international transactions. Before delving deeper into today's topic, let us briefly discuss BAS. I'm asking for a tiny favor from you. Hit that like button now. Turn on that notification by subscribing. Click the bell to join our amazing group. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP and see what's new lately. As the world leader in asset management, BlackRock has an almost flawless reputation for ETF approvals when analyzing the data in greater detail. BlackRock's foray into Web 3.0 and cryptocurrencies marks a sea change in how the traditional finance sector views digital currency. The fact that BlackRock has an almost flawless record of approvals for ETFs is evidence of their unparalleled proficiency in navigating the financial market. It's important to keep in mind that BlackRock and JP Morgan are two of the biggest players in the ETF space. They haven't just been eyeing XRP, they've been actively accumulating it. According to leaked documents, these giants have invested more than 7.5% of their total wealth in XRP. A recent well-investigated piece even suggested that BlackRock may be switching its whole focus from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a major change in its approach to investing. This action suggests that demand for XRP is rising, making the idea of a BlackRock-backed XRP ETF more likely than ever. However, things get much more interesting from here on out. A new development in the XRP saga. Its creator is still unknown, but its existence is a crucial step towards an ETF. Despite its launch, reports suggest that the XRP ETP remains in the pre-release phase with a zero value. There are also more rumors circulating. Rumors are circulating about the simultaneous release of an XRP ETF, coinciding with the debut of both the ETP and the ETF. This parallel release not only makes sense, but also highlights the quick progress toward the ETF, which could come just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. When we consider Bitcoin's surge to $43,000 even before the launch of its ETF, the potential for XRP is enormous. We're talking about a potential explosion in the value of XRP, which could occur once its ETF hits the market, okay? Remember, the XRP ETP has already launched, so this situation isn't as absurd as it may seem. Unbeknownst to many, vale, a titan in the financial world, officially released the XRP exchange-traded product, paving the way directly to an XRP ETF in just a few weeks. This implies that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval for the launch of an XRP ETF, just a few weeks away, is rapidly approaching. Yesterday, we discussed a recently released story that hinted at the potential for an XRP ETF, based on a leaked report from BlackRock. The leak indicated that an XRP ETF filing was forthcoming. Adding to the enthusiasm, a prominent BlackRock analyst publicly confirmed the introduction of a BlackRock ETF in particular. They even mentioned the iShares XRP Trust in connection with an ETF filing that initially raised doubts about XRP. I checked this for myself, and sure enough, it's mentioned there. This is a game-changing development that demonstrates how closely we are witnessing a seismic shift in XRP's market presence, possibly matching or even surpassing the swings we've witnessed with Bitcoin's ETF. The Delaware List of Corporations website recent research has revealed a noteworthy development in the cryptocurrency world. BlackRock and JP Morgan have each acquired over 7.5 million XRP, demonstrating clear institutional involvement. BlackRock is leading the way in cryptocurrency, not only by hoarding XRP but also by using the XRP ledger in their operations. Most significantly, they are advocating for the public release of an XRP ETF, a move that is likely to receive approval given BlackRock's nearly flawless track record with ETF approvals. There is a very high level of green light. One cannot overestimate the impact of an XRP ETF on its value, which is why it has a target price of $983,000. They all use the XRP ledger in their systems, and the Republic of Palau uses it to construct its central bank digital currency. This scenario offers a classic example of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, which logically suggests that the value of an XRP coin will soar, a subject that has recently gained a lot of attention. Is this how some people perceive my optimism? They may have a point when they argue that XRP is simply a pipe dream, but let me counter that. I believe in embracing this optimism. I am compressing it into a substantial size, lighting it, and taking a deep breath. That is some potent material. I firmly believe so. If you're not on board with hope and believe that it's a lifeline, you're holding on, especially when times are hard. That's all simply wishful thinking, which is perfectly okay, but I don't view that as a drawback. Instead, let's encourage one another. Anything less feels like throwing tokens into a void, and that's not what we're about. We're here to stay. That's my motto. Speaking of optimism, I'm enjoying the thought-provoking discussions and opposing viewpoints from every one of you. They truly get my brain working. Someone brought up the concept that institutions don't always have to purchase XRP. In fact, leasing is now a possibility. It's quite intriguing, isn't it? I wondered what would happen if regular investors were the only ones purchasing XRP. I delved deeper into the matter and inquired with ChatGPT about the daily transaction volume of the SWIFT system. The astounding response was more than $1 trillion. Remember that this includes international trade and does not account for the derivatives market, which is worth quadrillions, smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized assets like real estate currently in circulation. Consider how XRP might be involved in each of these domains, but let's focus on a few. SWIFT only engages in international trade within the region. If we take that $7 trillion and cut it to less than half, that is where SWIFT operates. Let's imagine what could happen if XRP, yes, XRP and Ripple have raised the stakes, had 1,700 connections. If we were to manage only $3 trillion of it every day, the system would have to maintain $3 trillion inside of it. The size of XRP's network suggests that some of these connections will invest. Let's revisit our earlier explanation. This scenario could increase the value of XRP to over $150 per token on that day. Even when organizations choose to rent instead of buy, the value of XRP could rise to over $150 per token. Once the system is operational, values may climb above $150, particularly if XRP manages even half of this market and covers the entire range of bank transactions that we're discussing. Okay, so give it a minute, more than 100 per token. Let this idea calm you down. Perhaps while sipping an adult beverage, consider the possibilities of this hydrogen vision. The world is full of amazing opportunities, but keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor. You should only watch these videos for enjoyment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their research and speak with experts. I appreciate you watching the video and leaving a review. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to activate the notifications. You will receive notifications as soon as I upload new content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.